Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am here to share something magical with you. The power of belief, strategy, and relentless pursuit in trading. Trading isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about vision, patience, and unwavering belief in your ability to succeed. The magic in trading comes from understanding that every great trader started where you are now, with a dream, a plan, and the determination to make it happen. The financial markets are a vast ocean, and navigating them can seem daunting. But remember, every stormy sea has its calm, every challenge its reward. What sets successful traders apart is their mindset, a combination of analytical thinking, emotional resilience, and the courage to take calculated risks. Think of legendary traders like Warren Buffett and George Soros. They didn't achieve their success overnight. They studied the markets, honed their skills, and most importantly, believed in their vision. They faced losses, learned from them, and came back stronger. This is the magic of persistence and learning. But it's not just about the big names. Everyday traders, like you and me, are making strides, learning from each trade, and growing in knowledge and confidence. The real magic lies in the journey, in every decision, every moment of doubt turned into a learning opportunity, and every small victory that builds your path to success. So, how do we tap into this magic? Start with a strong foundation. Learn the basics, understand the market dynamics, and develop a solid trading strategy. But most importantly, cultivate a mindset of growth and resilience. Embrace your mistakes, as they are the stepping stones to mastery. Remember, the market rewards those who are prepared, those who stay patient, and those who believe in their abilities. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, staying calm under pressure, and never losing sight of your goals. In the words of Peter Lynch, know what you own and know why you own it. Be confident in your trades, stay informed, and trust in your analysis. The magic in trading comes from this confidence, from the clarity of purpose and the discipline to stick to your strategy. As we close today, I want you to remember this. The magic in trading is not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth steadily, learning continuously, and growing with each experience. It's about the belief that you have the power to achieve your dreams, one trade at a time. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Keep learning, keep trading, and most importantly, keep believing in the magic within you. Together, we can turn dreams into reality.